internet, and today I will be showing you how to download and play video games on your computer. Video games as in the Game Boy, DS, you can play the GameCube, etc, etc. They don't have PS3 or Xbox 360 or any of the new consoles, it's mostly the older ones. So first off, I want to say I do not own the music in this video. It is published by, excuse that glitch. It's published by BMD Minecraft. Make sure to check out his channel and subscribe. He makes some really awesome mixes. So check that out. Okay, first thing we want to do is go to Google and you want to type in CoolROM. This is the site I use to get all my ROMs and all my emulators. Emulators are the consoles, ROMs are the games. So we'll do that and we'll click this first link right here. Okay, now we're on their site. I do want to thank CoolROMs for being so cool and giving us this. At the top, you'll see you have the home forums and all that. You want to go down to your emulators first. Today I'll just be showing you, I don't know, we'll try the Nintendo since I don't think I have that one. So here we have the Nintendo. We'll go for, usually the top one is the one that usually works, so we'll do that. And what you want to do is go to download now. You will need WinRAR for this, so go download WinRAR. I will leave the link in the description for CoolROM and for WinRAR. So after it's done counting down, make sure to watch this ad right here. Click the download your file. Now I'm using Firefox, but it doesn't matter. And then you want to hit open with WinRAR and hit OK. Now up here at the top, it'll download for me, and then WinRAR will open. So once WinRAR is open, it'll have your game in here. You have all this stuff. You want to highlight it all, do extract to, and then extract it where you want. I'm going to hit desktop, hit a new folder, and type in Nintendo, because that's where I want to save my Nintendo. So we'll hit OK. You can exit that. Okay, so now we have our Nintendo. Let's see. Let's go look at it real quick. Let's see where it's saved right here on our screen. So we're going to open our Nintendo. And you'll see it'll say application under the type, and that will be your Nintendo part. So here we have our Nintendo. It added some files and stuff, you know, because you first opened it. But we don't have any ROMs, so we can't open any ROMs. So let's go back to CoolROM, I apologize, and we'll go to the ROM file, and we'll, okay. You can click that, it'll bring it up here. Doesn't matter either way. And we want to go to the Nintendo ROMs. And this is where we'll download our game. So here we have, what, Super Smash Bros. 3? Zelda Adventure 2, we'll do that one. It kind of fits the theme, right? Okay, so once you find the ROM you want, you'll click it and you'll scroll down and it'll say download now. Usually you can scroll down, there'll be comments. The comments will usually tell you if the ROM is working or not. If it doesn't work on this site, you can usually find it on another site. So here we go, download file has popped up, so let's do that. We'll open it with WinRAR again. Exit out of that. Okay, so here we have our files. So here's the NES file, and we want to copy the Mac OSK. So do that and extract it to where we saved our Nintendo. It'll extract, and we're going to go back down. So now in our Nintendo folder, we will have our game, Zelda Adventure. And so we'll want to open our emulator, open ROM, and then we can go right into Zelda and double click it. So here we have it. If it won't open anymore, but here we have it. It's pretty much it. This is a really old console, so I mean it's really easy to, come on, open bigger, okay. But it's really easy to download these without any problems. It's the newer ones like the GameCube that you're gonna have problems with. But that's pretty much the simplicity of it. You download your emulator, you download your ROM, and you open them up. You probably won't have any problem with Super Nintendo, Nintendo, the DS. You might have a little bit of problem depending on the ROM. You can also, you know, you have your tools where you can do cheats. You'll have to go up and change your config for your controller, but besides that, you know, it's pretty simple. You know, at least you got the game now. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. You know, I have all these consoles. I have the Dolphin, you know, I have the DS, the Super Nintendo, the PlayStation 1, So I know pretty much. I even have the PlayStation 2 and the GameCube. I think I said that. So, you know, that's not bad. I mean, it's awesome that we can do that on the internet now, and hoping they won't take that away. See how at the bottom it says won't allow me to level up, and it'll tell you other stuff about the ROM if something's wrong with it. That's the cool thing about Cool ROMs, is that you can connect with everybody and see what's up. So that's pretty much it, how to download a ROM and emulator. If you want to go with something like the GameCube, you know, it'll be a little slower process because you'll have to find what will work for your computer. But if you do the old ones like the PlayStation 1 and the Nintendo 64, Super Nintendo, they're going to be pretty simple and easy. You just have to download them and start at the game. But that's it. Depending on the game, of course, will be how long it'll take. Like, I download the GameCube games. They take about 40 minutes because, you know, they're a gigabyte each. But they have Pokemon Gale of Darkness, Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess, they have the Super Smash Brothers, they got all of it here on this site. So it's what I use. I don't know about anybody else. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just save your ROMs inside of where you save your console, and it makes it pretty simple. So if you have any questions, again, just comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next episode.